So today we are going to discuss the sixth problem of AtCoder Beginner Contest 234, which is reordering. Uh, so we are given a string S, which contains lowercase English letters, and we have to find the number of different strings from any of the permutation of the given string. Like let me give one example. Like if the string is ABC, the different permutations of these are ABC, now BCA, and ACB, and there are total six different permutation. From if each of the permutation we can pick any of the subsequence, like for from ABC we can pick A, we can pick B, we can pick AC, AB, AC, like that. There are 2 to the power n number of 2 to the power 3 number of subsequence here, and n factorial permutations from here. So if all the characters of this string are different, so the answer will be n factorial into 2 to the power n. If we don't care about the number of different strings, if we only care about number of strings, then it will be the answer n factorial into 2 to the power n. Because but there could be some strings which are repeated, like from this we can get A, and from this we can also get A. From this we can get AC as a subsequence. From this we can also get AC as a subsequence. So there could be same string generated from different permutations. So we have to take care of that. So let us see some examples which is given in the problem statement. So first statement is AAB. So from AAB we can get A, B, A, AB, and if we permute it, it will become ABA, and from ABA we can get BA, and like ABA, and you can permute it as BAA also. Okay, so the last string is BAA. So there are total 8 number of permutations here. So how can we do that? So let us figure it out. How can we solve it? Hmm. I hope you have solved the problem where we have 3 red balls and 5 black balls, and six, let's say 6 green balls. And if we have to arrange them, the total number of permutations will be 3 plus 5 plus 6 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 5 factorial into 6 factorial. So I hope you all know the formula. If we have to rearrange some group, like there are m number of groups, and each group contains ci number of participants, then the total number of permutation will be summation of ci factorial divided by product of ci factorial, like that, factorial. So I hope you have understood that. Now let me give one example to clarify this thing more further. So um, let's say AAB. Okay, so the number of permutations will be, let's say 2 A's and 1 B, 2 A's and 1 B's, not AAB. We can take any permutation. So from 2 A's and 1 B's, what are the different combinations? So ABA, AAB, and BAA. So I think these are the main combinations. And if we put this thing into this formula, it will become 2 plus 1 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 1 factorial, and 2 factorial into 1 factorial, which will answer in 3. So we can see that our formula is giving us the correct answer. So now how we can solve it with the given formula? Let's say we count we count the frequency of every character from A to Z. For A to Z we count the frequency of every character, and let's say the frequency of F A is the frequency of A, F Z is the frequency of Z. So we can take mm, from 0 to Fa number of characters from here, and 0 to fz number of characters here. Let's say we have taken uh, let's say we have taken ca number of characters from here, and let's say we have taken cz number of characters from here. So our so the answer will become summation of ca plus cb plus plus dot dot plus cz factorial, uh, and the product of ca factorial into cz factorial, like that. Ca factorial into cv factorial dot 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 cz factorial. So if we pick let's say if we pick ca and cb, if we choose ca and cb, then we can get this formula to find the number of permutations from this combination. So for every combinations of ca cb cc, like that, we are going to compute the number of strings. Okay, so let's say there are, in the original string there are 5 a's and 2 b's and 3 c's. Okay, now for every value from 0 to 5 we will take one. So for it will become 0 1 2 3 4 5, and for every value of cb, it can become 0 1 2, or every value of c 0 1 2 and 3. So we can take anything from this, anything from this, or anything from this. So and the pick up these three things and put in our formula. Let's say for this the formula will become 1 factorial divided by 0 factorial into 1 factorial into 1 factorial. So one more thing to observe is that if we, let's say if we take 1a, then our answer will become 1 by 1 factorial. Then we are taking 2 b's. Let's say we have taken 1a, 2 b's and 3 c's. So for a our contribution is 1 by 1 factorial. For 2 b's our contribution is 1 by 2 factorial, and for 3 c's our contribution is 1 by 3 factorial. After we get these three things, we will multiply it by the summation of these three things, which is 6 factorial, and we will get the answer. So let's see the code now. I will try to explain my code line by line. So here is my code. In the here we have taken the frequency array d, and we have incremented the value of d of si, and here is the recurrence. Here we have calculated the LCR thing. You can find it anywhere. Is that if a is a factorial of I and it is inverse of factorial, I mean 1 by factorial of I can be written like factorial of I a to the power mod minus 2. You can find it anywhere. uh, and the NCR is a factorial of n into inverse, like inverse of r is nothing but 1 by factorial of r mod. Okay, so NCR will be equals to fa of n into inverse of r into inverse of n minus r into inverse of n minus r. Okay, now here if the it is the last character, if I equals to 26, that means we have taken from a to z, we have taken everything. Then we will just return the length. Here I is the index, like I equals to 0 means it is the first character, which is a. If I equals to 25, that means it is the last character, which is z. And l means the length of the current string. For the given example, it is l is 6. Okay, for 1 to 3 l is 6. So we are iterating for the frequency of this character. We can take 0 to let's say the frequency is 6. For the ith character we can pick 0, we can pick 1, we can pick 2, we can pick 3, like that. Then we are taking it like I have mentioned it earlier, that we are taking this 1 by 1 factorial, which is inverse of 1. So we are just multiplying it inverse of 1 into rake of I plus 1. Okay, like that. uh, and we are just adding the answer for every value of j, and we are storing here answer, and just at the last we are returning the answer. I hope you have understood the video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any query, please write in the comment box. I will try to answer.